what the Haitian Revolution did was not just in terms of ending slavery. It ended colonization and created the first black nation. Haiti is not a poor country. Haiti is an impoverished country for being who and what it is. So I do think that Haiti is now at a place where he needs to forge a societal vision. What kind of a society we all would like Haiti to be?
Haiti is known as the Republic of NGO. Everybody wants to come with an NGO in Haiti to do this quick little thing, but no one really wants to touch where the fundamental problem is.
Haiti has quite a few challenges, and it's very clear that if we want things to improve here, we have to do things differently. And HELP is an example of how the education system can and should do things differently.
For me, it's really what Haiti needs, education, because without education, you cannot expect good leadership. And this is what HELP is doing through his scholarship program that covers not only tuition, textbooks, dorms, allocation for students, and also a lot of soft skills that come through the leadership program.
We give not only academic opportunity, we give opportunity to young people to show their potential. We are trying to create a community of professional leaders who will work for a more just society in Haiti. That's the thing that we teach the kids. You go, you see a problem, you start thinking on the way to solve this issue.
By developing this mindset of giving back and the service through the leadership classes, HELP has allowed me to develop my leadership skills, which is, in my opinion, one of the most important tools that someone needs to affect change in any country.
How do you create a pool of highly competent, smart young people, access to university education, and then they stay in the country? So what HELP is doing is really addressing that problem.
One of the goals for City is to educate the youth and get them ready for the job market, not just for work, but for leadership. This is why it's important for us to support HELP. They're preparing the youth, they're building leaders. So we're investing in the community, investing in the future of Haiti.
Maybe you cannot change everything at the same time. Maybe change one community and then see how you can scale and have like a domino effect. I'm co-founder of Co-Creade, which is transforming a community in Haiti using art and technology.
It was my dream to have a library here in Las Caobas, but I didn't do it by myself. We created a team with 7 other HELP students, and we worked on the project together. The students come here voluntarily to help our community, Las Caobas.
My goal after I graduate is to go back to Haiti and start an outsourcing company. It's a big dream for me. I want to have it like a city, very great quality work and then quality of life for people I will be employing. It's like a community I want to build.
If HELP can really continue doing what it's doing, we'll have a majority of leaders, business leaders, maybe political leaders that came through the HELP organization.
It's a network of professionals and caring and engaged citizens who are determined to create positive change within Haiti. And so it's more than just a program, that's really a mission and that's a movement.
We have now the quality, but we need the quantity. And you can get 100, 200 kids, and you send them with the values that we are teaching them. I'm sure the future of Haiti is here at HELP.